Dear asshole. Sorry about the colorful opener. I thought it would be necessary to get your attention. I mean, you are listening now, aren't you? See, I was left with a lot of useless knickknacks after the break, but there's one in particular I feel I shouldn't be subjected to. Remember that quote-unquote eco project that totally wasn't just an excuse to replace the showerhead you exhausted? Well, I've been stuck with that low-pressure showerhead you bought at the Dollar Tree ever since. I really don't think I should be, which is where you come in. Look, it's none of my business how you burn out a perfectly functioning showerhead in less than 2 months, but if you can't orgasm from 12 different guys on mostly separate occasions, and my showerhead blasting away at you for 20-minute stretches at full force, then maybe you are the problem. All beside the point. We didn't treat each other decently when we were together, so maybe we could try now that we're apart. Just to be better. You specifically, you penny-pinching bitch, love never again, Gary.